Hey guys, welcome to this lecture. So let's continue with the rest of the arms, limbs, whichever you want to call it. We're gonna create a new texture. No, over here. Make sure we have our draw brush. New texture, open image, locate the alpha map. We're looking for a different one. Just because we can. Let's grab this guy. I think we already set this guy. Set to raw. View plane changes from space to anchored. So if you click and drag, that's what you get. Obviously dial down your intensity to 0.2 and change it to minus. Okay, I'm just gonna come in here by the elbow and just give him that, like that, and some of these areas. Like so. Just delete this alpha, create a new texture, open, go back to alphas, and let's grab a new one. It's hard finding these guys. Change this color space to raw. Probably sRGB is fine for this guy. View plane anchored. Change this to raw again. Okay, change this to plus. Okay, I'm just gonna use this guy now. And the intensity is very big. Just gonna dial this down. Change it to 0.15. So we're going back and forth and finding like a better intensity on this guy. So I'm just gonna, and the direction is also very important, guys. So when you're doing this, just be careful of that. You see how I'm mixing these alphas also. Just give them that leathery. Texture, and I'm gonna change this texture. I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, go plus. And then, yep. Just blending these two now. Just blending these textures. We're gonna leave the pose for a separate tutorial, so don't mind them. So don't mind them at all. Once we have that, let's delete the texture, change it from anchor to space, and then let's start with manual sculpting now. Intensity, change it back to 0.5 and change it to plus. And It's me now just trying to create those wrinkles. Or you can use the draw sharp, the bigger brush size, and just try create those wrinkles now. Like that. Just coming in some areas and reiterating that. Like that. Giving it that some bumpy surface texture going on there. As you can see. And some pimples. Where I see fit. Just coming underneath also. Smoothing that out. Use a smaller brush size and not too small, Adrian. Just carving very hard. And just coming in and creating those wrinkles there. Just building those forms up. Just adding those surface details. That. And also over here as it's folding. And underneath there. Just give it some time again. Come here. Coming back to this where we can. And over here. Like so. So yeah, it looks about right. Let me just zoom in here. Don't mind the pixelation. We're gonna fix that very easy. Show you guys a very cool trick. How to not see that? Like that. Just come in, even like underneath. So we have that for our details. If decrease the brush size. We're coming to the end of this lecture. You can get carried away. Just take your time. Press Ctrl S to save. Yep, and that's it for this class. And thank you guys for your time. And I'll see you guys in the next one.